Now we're going to start section 3. In the previous two sections, all the attacks that we talked about were attacks that can be carried out without having to connect to the target access point and without having to know the key to the target access point. We saw how we can gather information about all the APs around us and all the clients that are connected to these APs, how we can get their MAC addresses, how we can control the connections of these clients. So we were able to deny any client that is within our Wi-Fi range from connecting to any network that is within our Wi-Fi range. We also talked about how we can sniff packets, but we had a problem if the target access point was using encryption, whether it's WEP, WPA, or WPA2. It was very hard for us to see the information in there because the information would be encrypted. After that, we explained how we can get the key for WEP, WPA, and WPA2 networks. So once we get the key, we can connect to the network, and that's what we did now. And then we'll move into section 3. So now, in this section, we're going to talk about attacks that we can carry out after connecting to the target access point. These attacks are going to be more powerful, more sophisticated. We're going to be able to get more information about the clients. We're going to be able to read the packets, even if the network uses WPA2 or WPA or WIP, because we have the key. We're gonna talk about man-in-the-middle attacks, ARP spoofing, DNS spoofing, hijacking HTTP sessions, and bypassing HTTPS. All that good stuff. We're gonna talk about it. One thing I'd like to note before we start talking about these attacks is that in the previous two sections we were always using our Wi-Fi card in monitor mode as Mon0 because we wanted to be able to sniff any packet that is within our Wi-Fi range, even the packet wasn't directed to our device. In this section, however, we're going to use our Wi-Fi card in managed mode because we don't want to sniff any packets that's around us in the air. We only want to sniff, or we only want to receive packets that are actually sent to us. So there is no point of using monitor mode.